Any smart farm needs to be tracking their data on a consistent basis and acting on it. Data really is the key thing.
Some weeks you have an amazing harvest and some weeks you have a terrible harvest. And why is that? And you need the data to be able to tell you why.
You need to be able to turn that data into information, to make it actionable, to make it meaningful. And right now, the way that I collect data is that it's coming in through different streams in different ways, in different formats, and different platforms. And there's no connective tissue that brings it all together and making it meaningful.
Anything that makes it easier for the average or the relatively tech-savvy person to be able to do things like this at home, I think we're making huge progress.
There are not a lot of simple solutions to understanding what's happening in your farm. And my hope for GrowComputer is that it is the simple solution for any grower to understand what's happening.
If you're working with a 5-level living wall or a 5-level hydroponic system, there's a lot to monitor for. So having a GrowStrip really helps with that.
The GrowStrip will be able to make Grow Room's data more meaningful and more actionable.
This is the GrowStrip from GrowComputer. It's the first digital platform for indoor growing. Come check us out on IndieGoGo on September 26th.